Today, we're exploring TenantCloud, a comprehensive property management solution designed for landlords, property managers, and tenants. This cloud-based platform is known for its robust set of features that streamline various property management tasks such as rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant screening. Tenant Cloud offers a multitude of features. It has an integrated accounting system that tracks income and expenses, making tax season less stressful. It also allows for online rent collection and comes with a tenant portal for easy communication. Other features include marketing tools, maintenance request tracking, tenant screening services, and document storage. Tenant Cloud offers a free tier for up to 75 units, which includes basic features. The paid tiers start at $9 per month for up to 150 units, with additional features like Google Calendar Sync, priority support, and more. For $35 per month, you can manage up to 500 units and access advanced features like automated invoicing and online signatures. Tenant Cloud is ideal for landlords and property managers managing multiple units. Its tools are designed to streamline the management process, from tenant screening to rent collection. It's also a great fit for tenants, providing a convenient platform for rent payment, maintenance requests, and communication with landlords. Tenant Cloud's strengths lie in its comprehensive features, affordability, and usability. It offers a free tier and affordable plans, making it accessible for landlords of all sizes. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through the platform. Plus, the ability to handle multiple aspects of property management in one platform is a significant advantage. Despite its advantages, Tenant Cloud has its limitations. The free tier has limited features, and the paid plans may still lack advanced features offered by competitors. Some users have also reported issues with customer service response times and occasional software glitches. Overall, Tenant Cloud is a solid property management solution with a wide range of features. While it has some limitations, its affordability and user-friendly interface make it a viable option for many. It's worth considering if you're a landlord or property manager seeking a comprehensive, budget-friendly platform. In summary, Tenant Cloud offers a comprehensive set of tools for property management at an affordable price. Its key features include an integrated accounting system, online rent collection, and a tenant portal. However, it has some limitations, including limited features in the free tier and occasional software glitches. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Tenant Cloud with us today. We hope this analysis has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision about whether Tenant Cloud is the right solution for your property management needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful video analyses. Your support helps us continue providing high-quality content. Thank you.